Windows 11 announced, release date, features and everything you need to know. Windows 11 features. There are refined features across the board in Windows 11, with Microsoft promising that updates will be 40% smaller, and touting Windows 11 as the most secure release yet. The taskbar is optimized for touch as well as mouse peripherals, and is now renamed the dock. New multitasking features are also on offer thanks to a feature called Snap Layouts, which enables you to arrange multiple windows across the screen, not just side by side, but in columns, sections and more. Another feature is Snap Groups, where you can go back to previously snapped windows from the dock, so for example you can go to your email app, Edge browser windows or anything else without having to snap them back to the previous view again. There's also improved multi-monitor support, so when you reconnect an external monitor, Windows 11 remembers the previous positions of the windows that were on that monitor. Teams is also integrated to the dock, so you can easily join in with meetings and family calls. This looks like the first inkling of Skype disappearing from Windows, especially with the Skype sounds being heard in the demo when a call was incoming. The Microsoft Store is finally seeing a redesign, with better curated content, and better options for managing your purchased shows, such as mirroring them to your television. Apps such as Disney+, Adobe Creative Cloud, Pinterest and more are already in this redesigned store for Windows 11. Ready to go. WPA, EWP and Win32 apps are now all in the Microsoft Store, ready to go. If a developer has a commerce engine, they can keep 100% of the revenue brought from the Microsoft Store. Android apps are also ready for Windows 11. Discoverable from the Microsoft Store via Amazon App Store, so you can download TikTok and more, ready to use on your PC or tablet. A new look for 11. One of the biggest changes users will notice is that the Start menu has been moved to the center of the screen, and it's now cloud-powered, so it dynamically changes depending on the time of day, and the content you're working with. Light mode and dark mode are official, with rounded corners and a unified design across the operating system. There are also some windows that look arrow-esque from Windows Vista, showing you bite-sized information. Windows widgets are back in Windows 11, accessible via the dock, with Microsoft touting AI-powered dynamic features that enable widgets, as with the Start menu, to change depending on the apps you're using and the time of day. On the touchscreen, you can slide from the left on the desktop to have widgets appear. There are plenty to choose from, such as the weather, Bing Maps, news, and more. These will be available for third parties as well, so you may see as many widgets available to pick as there are on Apple's iOS and iPadOS operating systems. Gaming on Windows 11. Gaming will be a much bigger focus in Windows 11, with a sluggish and frustrating to use Windows 10 Xbox app replaced by a new Game Pass app that enables you to buy, manage and remove games, making it easier for you to access and download games, from Doom Eternal to, soon, Halo Infinite. HDR will also be supported on compatible machines, offering improved lighting and contrast for gaming and viewing media. Direct storage is also here, with the main game assets able to be downloaded and installed, enabling you to play your games even faster than before. Touch improvements. Tablet mode has been one of Windows' weaker points ever since Windows 8, and the new tablet features that Microsoft showed off for Windows 11 could be key to the operating system's fortunes, especially with future Surface products in the pipeline from Microsoft. To have a new, numbered operating system for its upcoming tablets could be a big selling point for new users. At the event, Microsoft touted bigger touch targets and easier ways to move windows around, and better rotate optimizations, for example in how windows are rearranged, so you don't lose track of the applications you are using. Gestures used with the trackpad of the Surface models are also coming to the touchscreen, bringing in some familiarity here. Haptics is also coming to Windows 11 when you use a stylus for better feedback when drawing or sketching. The touch keyboard has also been redesigned, with a smaller keyboard just for your thumb, and emojis ready to be used. Microsoft says dictation will also be improved, alongside voice commands, with delete that options and more. The revolutionary Windows update is official. Windows 11 is finally, definitely official after being announced at Microsoft's big event on June 24. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella made sure to tell everyone at the event that this was the first version of a new era for Windows. While a very early build of Windows 11 had leaked, showcasing a refreshed look and a new name, we finally got to see the new user interface and new features officially. While Microsoft had in the past said that Windows 10 was going to be the only version of its operating system for years to come, it's now been around for 6 years, and this new update brings significant features to help justify the jump to a new number. Cut to the chase. What is it? Windows 11 is the successor to Windows 10. When is it out? Likely late November/December. How much does it cost? Free. Windows 11 release date. Microsoft says Windows 11 will be out this holiday season, so likely sometime between late November and Christmas. There is also going to be a yearly update of the new operating system, similar to Apple's efforts with macOS. In the meantime, you can download a tool to see if your desktop PC or laptop will be able to run Windows 11. How much is Windows 11? Windows 11 will be a free update for existing Windows users. You'll need to be online to download, install and activate home versions, and you'll need to have a Microsoft account when installing it on or upgrading your PC or tablet. If you have questions, just comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell.